There are two types of women in the world: those who wait for life to happen to them, and those who invest in themselves until life can't ignore them. So I've seen it happen over and over again. The women who make these 7 powerful investments never remain the same. Their careers change, their bank accounts change, their confidence change, everything changes. And the best part, you can start all of them today. I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. I'm passionate about women growing their money, their confidence, and their influence. On this video, I'm going to be breaking down 7 game-changing investments that transform women's lives, including mine and my clients. These are not just about money, right? They are about building the kind of life where you win on every level. And for each point, I'm giving you practical action steps, because the goal is, by the end of this year, you will look back and say, wait, now maybe this, shall we? And if that's the kind of thing you love to listen to, hit that subscription button right away. Number 1 investment you should be making as a woman: personal brand and visibility. Nay, your name is a currency. How people perceive you matters. Honestly, I can't deny the privilege that comes from having a personal brand, or how much money you can make from having a recognizable brand. Sometimes I look at my life and everything that happened to me and for me, and I'll be like, omo, this is the power of solid personal brand, powered by grace, of course. I came to Lagos 7 years ago. Who dash me connection? I didn't know any single body. But beautiful things have happened in that period of time. You see, a personal brand, we throw that word around so much that it seems like a big deal. Maybe it is, but I love to keep things simple. And all you have to do is decide what you want to be known for. Then get visible in that space, doing that thing. It's that simple. Leverage social media. Now, here is the task. Pick 1 or 2 platforms and start talking about the things that you want to be known for. Gradually, over time, we'll begin to associate you with that thing. When that topic comes up, people will tag you. So challenge yourself for the next 6 months. Go all out on putting yourself out there. Let's see how far we are going to go before the end of the year. Trust me, you see that speaking engagement, the board positions, the brand deals, the plenty money. Sis, that's what's on the other end of having a solid personal brand. And even if you're a business owner, having a personal brand as a founder is one of the most powerful and even the cheapest forms of growth for your business. Trust me. There's so many businesses today that are selling out just from the positioning of their founder. Let's look for example. Now, yes, Vic James is a badass when it comes to designing. But before her, we are other great designers. Even now, there are other equally amazing designers. But why is it Vicky that we are all rushing? Because she's intentional with her personal brand. She doesn't just sew clothes behind the scene, right? She is seen. And that's the thing, visibility. Why, Oma? No more hiding. Unless you know too like plenty more about opportunities to pursue you. Like it's pursuing women that are well positioned. So here is a practical tip for you, which I mentioned already. Pick a platform. You can just start with 1 platform, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, and show up consistently. Not just post pictures and run away. Talk about your expertise. Share your story. Tell us what you're up with. Teach us. Then, second task, attend events and webinars where you will meet the right people. Because yes, you know this thing, but you need to be seen by the right people at the right places. You are going to be doing this deal. Not be by mouth. In fact, come to the comment section now, type deal in capital letters, DEAL, because going forward we need to keep each other accountable in this community. So if you're looking for a community of money-minded people, you are at the right place. Make sure you have hit that subscription button already. Number 2 investment you need to be making as a woman to level up is self-education. The woman who keeps learning keeps growing. The thing is that when you read books, take courses, or even attend workshops, you are not just collecting knowledge, you are upgrading your value in the marketplace. Because a more knowledgeable you is more confident and higher earning you. Please don't be that woman that the last time she read a book was in her final exam in school. I beg you now. Aside from your university certificates, which other qualifications have you bagged, or which one are you planning to bag? Whether you are a career person or a business owner who seeks to build a global business, you can't stop learning. You can't stop where everyone else stops when it comes to upscaling or gathering relevant qualifications. You don't need to do these things for fancy. They prepare you for future opportunities. So one time in an interview, they asked me why I had many qualifications even before I hit 30 back then. I told them the long-term goal is to be on board. We would want to have her, but unfortunately, she doesn't have the right qualifications. It can never be me. And again, it increases your chances of more money. So recently, I was promoted at work, and I've been looking at these things. I've been in this organization for like 4 years now, and every single year, I get promoted. So there was a conversation that was going on. You have people that have been in the organization for more than 10 years, and then you see you are in the same grade with them, right? I'm like, what's going on? Then you realize that for every single year in this business, aside from putting in my quota as a great staff, I have constantly upgraded myself. I have qualified as a chartered accountant, I have qualified as a chartered stockbroker, qualified as a licensed dealer in the Nigerian market, and all of these are relevant in the investment banking industry where I play in. So the company see this, of course. So the promotion is expected. So your practical tip for this one is to pick one personal finance or even a self-growth book or a book in your industry. Please, this month, starting from today, you are going to read that book, because the more you read, the more you know. Secondly, can you take an online course? That particular one you have been putting off, it can even be on YouTube. There's so many amazing resources on YouTube that are free, right? And then again, give yourself a learning budget. Have a small amount of money you spend in upgrading your life, be it in attending paid workshops, programs, and all that. Are we doing that? Of course we are. Number 3, investment, your appearance and personal style. In case you don't know, beauty is a currency. In fact, research supports this. Let's look at this extract from Business Insider. Let me read. Studies show that you are more likely to get hired if you look well groomed. That good-looking people make about 12% more money than less appealing folks, and that attractive real estate brokers bring in more money than their less attractive peers. Indeed, according to a just published paper on the 2018 congregational midterms, more attractive candidates are more likely to get elected. No be me talk am more. Psychologists call it the beauty premium. Is it fair or not? Well, I don't know. We don't care if you have the classical beauty. All we want to see is a woman who is intentional with her looks and how she carries herself. Your hair, your nails, general grooming, what you wear. You got to be intentional about all of these things. How you show up is how the world receives you. You don't need to be expensive to be intentional. A clean, put together look boosts your confidence and opens door for you. Like this now, I'm seriously looking to build a signature look. Both outfits, both hair, both makeup. The truth is that fashion and all of these are not things that come easy to me. If na me to talk about money now, I will be in front row. But I'm making an effort to get better at how I look. And you should too, because my sister, it's profitable money. So the practical tip is, can you build a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces? Your go-to things you can pick out that flatter your figure. Can you develop a signature look? Let's be doing these things together, so you can watch videos on posture and carriage. And because it's not just about the money. Now, if you're the person that wear heels, are you all those ones that wear heels and they're walking like what? I don't know. One channel I will recommend for you is The Intentional Woman by Ayanimi. You are going to learn so much from that channel. The 4th investment you are making to become one of the top 1% is intentional relationships. Your circle is either your ladder or your cage. Sis, you need to surrender yourself with people who inspire you, who challenge you, who hold you accountable. And yes, if it means letting go of some relationships that drain you, no problem, do that. When it comes to this one, I am actually very bad at building relationships, but because I know how important it is, I ran to ChatGPT. Like, I drew up a calendar for this month. I was like, okay, tell me for the month, starting for the month of August, build a plan for me in terms of reaching out to people, set reminders on my phone and all of that. I'm going to show you, because I need to be intentional. It doesn't come easy to me. I can stay the whole year without calling anybody. And the way, due to the kind of things I do, I actually meet these people, solid women, but because of my job and plenty people reaching out, sometimes I don't have the time to follow up. Sometimes I don't even reach out to them, and sometimes when they even reach out to me, I don't see it because my DMs are clouded and all of that. But I am making intentional effort to correct that. So you as well, you need to become intentional with the people you have in your network. Now, the practical tip for you on this one: number 1, audit your circle. Who makes you excited about your future? Who drains your energy? Those are the ones to dash out, but those ones that fits your energy, that fits your ginger, that gives you audacity, you need them. And secondly, join a community that aligns with your goal, even if it's an online community. And you're interested in a community of financially minded women who save together, who invest together, my sister, you should join FinTribe. FinTribe is a pioneering women-only finance community here in Nigeria. In fact, these women, in less than 3 years, they have saved and invested over $4 million in a country where they say we don't get money, in a country that the economy is doing like this. But we hold each other accountable. You can't be in FinTribe and you're not saving and investing. If you would want to join FinTribe, let me know in the comments. I will share the link to join for you, and it is totally free. You are not paying anything to join. Just be ready to save and invest consistently. So those are the kind of communities you should look for. So what is it for you? Do you want to dress better? At that fashion focused community, you should join. Investment number 5, your health and wellness generally. Your body is your engine. If it breaks down, nothing else matters. So your health determines the quality of your hustle. So even what you eat, fitness, all of this matter. Rest, yes, rest. And for me, it's not just to be healthy. Yes, I want to be healthy, but even physical fitness. Hey God, one obsession I have in this life, you see women that look too good for their age. I know they say it's not a compliment saying someone looks younger than their age or something like that, but that thing makes me happy. It makes me so happy knowing that women have options now. And trust me, when you have money, I know it's not all about the money, but sometimes there are some things you do to even make it easy for you. There's some, skin care, nice treatment, working out, eating the things that nourishes your body. All of these things matter. There's some procedures. You don't even need procedures, but anything to keep you healthy and fit, we are all in. I don't even want to talk about gym, because every year, Jennifer, new year, new resolution is get to the gym. Please, all of you that are consistent in gym, in dieting, those of you that diet, those of you that work out consistently, help our life. Go to the comment section and tell us, how do you do it? Is there a plan? Is there just what motivates you? How do you do it? Tell us. We want to do. Me, I want to do. So a practical tip for this one, well, I no get. Give me, people should give me. Everybody, come and share your own practical tips in the comments for the community. How do you keep fit? How do you build that consistency? We have 2 more investments. In fact, the last one is the one we are going to dwell more on. But if at this point, have you liked this video? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Just see that thumbs up to like it. It means so much to me. Thank you. Number 6, investment. This one sounds very obvious, but many people don't do it. Taking risk. Many people like to play it safe, but the truth is, playing it safe will keep you exactly where you are. The women who win, they aren't the most prepared. They are the most courageous. Start that business. Send in that application. Apply for that scholarship. Relocate if need be. If your location is not working for you, relocate. Launch that idea. What is that one thing you have been procrastinating? It is due. It is due, not trying to do it. Ignore the fear. That is the tip for you. Revisit it. There are over 170,000 of us in this community rooting for you. And number 7, investment. Please pay close attention. Anyway, this one, I know that the OG members of this our community, they already have this one on lockdown. The 7th investment you must make as a woman, if you need to break free, if you need to become the next level of yourself, that is invest in assets. Invest in assets. A woman with her own money moves difference. A woman with financial independence, you know now, you can't give her nonsense. You can't serve her nonsense. She know who she is. Akunesio Bike. Money gives confidence. Your money should be working harder than you. Invest in assets. There are stocks. How much do you have? If you have 1K, 5K, you can invest in the stock market. If you have millions, there are other options. Commercial paper. If you have money for real estate, of course, real estate. Rental income, they sweet too. I know that the default is for us to spend money on things, on shoes, or handbags, or makeup. These things are nice. Me, I like them. But why we spend on liability? Because those things, they're not making you any money. We should also have a budget that goes into investing in assets. On this community, we have different videos on different sorts of investments you can make, be it stock, be it treasury bill, be it so many of them. I'm going to link some of them in the description. Please do. One thing that made me so happy, who remember earlier this year, we did a FinTribe estate. Many of our community members are now landowners. We came together and did this investment. Those are the kind of things I love to hear. Don't worry, if you miss that one, phase 2 will be prepping. Would you want me to notify you when the phase 2 open? Let me know in the comments. If you start even one of these investments today, your future self will thank you. But the real transformation comes when you start stacking them up. You start with one. Over time, you add on it. Your mind, your money, your health, relationship, assets. And if you want to learn how to start building wealth through investment, aside from the videos we have here, you should definitely join the Wealth Builders Academy. It's a 3 weeks online program where I guide you by the hand, step by step. I'm going to leave the link to join on the description. And then again, as well as the other videos I made mention to, come in the description and you see the link to watch them. Let's meet in the comments.